DIY.
For those of you that are content creators, I want to show you this tool by vidIQ. It blows my mind. Y'all ever heard of vidIQ, TubeBuddy? Basically, these are apps and attachments that you can put to your browser that would help you improve your YouTube, help you find high-ranking search terms, see potential videos that you can do. They got so many crazy tools. This right here, though, is one that I slept on, and it's AI at work. It says, "Hi, I'm your personal AI coach. Ask me anything about YouTube growth." So now all those questions that you have specifically about your channel, you literally can ask them and they'll give you a pretty damn accurate feed on it. Check this out. Give me 5 video ideas to make specifically for this YouTube channel. And it's basically running through my video, seeing what has been a success, and it's going to produce 5 ideas for me right now. Based on the name Curtis King TV, I assume your channel is related to music production, beat making, and possibly advice for independent artists. Here are 5 video ideas for your channel. Stop it. 10 essential tips for independent artists. Boost your career today. Creating a hit beat from scratch, a step-by-step tutorial for producers. How to promote your music on social media. Strategies for success. The art of sampling. They know I sample. A comprehensive guide to finding and using samples in your beat. Collaborating with other artists. How to network and build lasting relationships in the music industry. Fam. How about this? Let's take the video we're doing right now, and I'm going to ask it a very specific question. Make me a better YouTube title for this video on my channel. How about, instead of calling it AI Friday, reviewing and chatting about AI-based music tools, how about this title? AI Friday, exploring the future of music production with AI-based tools and techniques. How about this? Give me 5 more suggestions that are under 30 characters. AI music tools uncovered. AI Friday, music magic. AI beats, a new era. AI music revolution. AI driven music tools. These are things that have already been researched. They're already looking in terms of the niche itself and seeing what has already been successful. This is AI being your damn assistant. It's not replacing, it's being your damn assistant. This is vidIQ. I have the $49 a month subscription for this. This is a tool that comes along with it called the AI Coach. The answers are changing. I asked this question last week and the answer is different from what I got last week. As somebody who's done one-on-one consultations, I don't want to say there's not a purpose for them, but you have that already.
DIY.